Good morning, guys. Welcome to Wednesday's pre-market video of Equity Guys Stock Market Academy. So, what was my view yesterday? 25,600 is a resistance, 25,500 was a support, and the previous day lows are the support. Previous day low is everything. This is what I said. So, entire day yesterday, Nifty 50 has stayed in between 25,500 and 25,600 levels. So what's next today? What we are seeing on the screen on the daily time frame is a doji. So what exactly the doji says? I'll give you few ideas here today. If there is a red candle and then a doji forms, we call it as a bearish. For example, can you see here there is a red candle and there is a doji, a big red candle came, right? In the same way, if there is a green candle and then a doji comes, then we call it as bullish. Now what we are seeing on the daily time frame, a red candle and then a doji. So the market is in a cautious mode. So be careful, we may retest these support levels which was 25 to 20 to 30 type of levels again. Possibility extremely high only if we break this doji low and then the red candle low. So yesterday Nifty is up 24 points, Nifty Bank is up 146 points, Sensex is up 90 points. India volatility index is down 2%, so there is no need to worry. So yesterday I said the gold bees and silver bees done well in the international markets. So even in Indian markets, gold bees is up 1.33%, silver bees is up 0.93%, crude oil was mildly up, so at 5,618, right, 0.66%. The data I feel it's completely neutral since the commodity is going up. It was very clear that there is a possibility of shift positions from gold to equities, but Nifty, Bank Nifty, and most of the global markets are trading at extreme valuations on the daily time frame, on the weekly time frame also, and the US dollar is trading at extremely lower valuation. Only if US dollar turns up, the gold goes down. Currently, US dollar yesterday fell, so gold moved up. Let's see that trend continues even today. Okay, let's discuss support and the resistance for the day. So S1 at 25,501, S2 at 25,473, S3 at 25,260, and R1 at 25592, R2 at 25669, and the gap zone is the third resistance, which is 25,796. See, until unless we break these zones of 25,600 on the upside, 25,500 on the downside, we may not see significant move, but 25,473 is your Lakshman Rekha for the day. I will repeat this again. 25,473 is your Lakshman Rekha. Anyhow, if the market closes below 25,470 type of levels, we should see at least a sell-off of around 200 points. Keep this in mind. I said about the daily time frame, a red candle and a doji. Previous time when there is a red candle and a doji, what happened? A big sell-off came. Let's see if that repeats or not in 1 or 2 days. So on the daily time frame, it is doji. So which means that the markets may turn either side. I'm expecting it to be happen on the downside. Let's see on Bank Nifty on the daily time frame. As I said, our targets been met on Bank Nifty, and again these levels which was acting as the previous all-time high, or this box level, the consolidation box level 2057,174. That level is acting as strong support. Until unless we break this green candle low or the previous candle high, we are not seeing significant rallies. Even Bank Nifty may stay in a range today. Sectoral indices, it is completely mixed. Few sectors are positive, few sectors are negative, so you can consider it as neutral. So advanced decline ratio 1488, 1449, which is again 1:1 neutral. FI data. So FS have sold 1970 crores in cash market and DS have bought 771 crores in cash market. It is negative data. So index futures FS have sold 115 crores and stock futures they have sold 1334 crores, which means FS is selling in cash, FS is selling in options, FS selling in index futures, stock futures as well. So data is definitely bearish. There is no liquidity. So option chain selling in put options both in the money and out of the money. Where is the support? 25,500. As I said, you can see the significant volumes here on the open interest and change in open interest. So 25,500 should not be broken. You can give a room of another 30 points. You can say 25,470 type of levels is the support for the day. Any reversals comes from there, it will come from there. So on the call option side, there is selling in out of the money, the less chances market goes up. Even in the money, 5 strike prices, you can see from 25,550 to 25,350, there is selling. So market should be range bound until unless we broke those levels. So what's happening in US futures today? US 30, US 500, US Tech 100 is positive. So what happened in US markets yesterday? Dow Jones closed 1% higher, Nasdaq closed 1% lower, S&P neutral. So you can consider it as a neutral data. DAX, I think 1% lower, CAC neutral, and FTSE 100 mildly positive. So this is a negative data. So what's happening today in Nikkei and Kospi? Nikkei is down 0.77%. Kospi is down 1.45%. Hang Seng will open at 7 o'clock. What's happening in US ADR? So Infosys is up 2%, Wipro is up 1.32%. Okay, ICICI is neutral, HDFC is neutral, which means today IT stocks should do well. So if anybody trading stocks, I personally don't do intraday trading in stocks. I do only in Nifty options and Bank Nifty options. Suppose if you are trading stocks, then keep eye on IT stocks today. If 15 minutes candle highs are broken on important stocks, you can attempt few trades. The view for the day is very simple. Again, expecting a neutral to range bound consolidation type of market. So keep eye on 25,470. Those are the levels we see some reversals. So a few students message me or a few followers message me, give us some strategy. So I'll give you a strategy today. What you need to do is a good quality trader always take only 2 trades or 3 trades. Okay, only when there is an opportunity, only when there is a trend. So what you need to do is mark your previous day highs and lows and mark your previous day close. Any bearishness that comes near to the previous day highs is a selling opportunity. Any bullishness that comes near to the previous day lows, it is a buying opportunity. Also, when the trend is up near to the close levels, if there is a bullish price action, again a buying opportunity. When trend is down near to the close, then there is a bearish price action, it's a selling opportunity. The 3 levels you need to mark every day to reduce your number of trades. One is the previous day high, previous day low, and the previous day close. There itself you get lot of opportunity. And if you know a basics of candle patterns like bullish shingle, bearish shingle, morning star, evening star, hammer, inverted hammer, that is more than enough for a price action trader. So you can do some homework before you attempt the trades. I hope you like this video. That's it for now. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Have a great day, guys.